Question number 71. The first ashram established by Mahatma Gandhi in India was Kochrab Ashram near Ahmedabad. Right option will be B. On his return from South Africa, Mahatma Gandhi's first ashram in India was established in the Kochrab area of Ahmedabad on 25th May 1915. The ashram was then shifted on 17th June 1917 to a piece of open land on the banks of the river Sabarmati. Next question. Which of the following act first recognized the voting rights of women in India? Government of India Act 1919. Right option will be B. Montagu-Chelmsford reform passed in 1919 through which women were allowed to vote. Though it started to implement in 1921, interestingly, every adult woman were not allowed to vote. There were some guidelines for women. Guidelines were loosely based upon education, family and religion criteria. Next question. When was Battle of Jajau fought? The Battle of Jajau was fought between the two Mughal princes and brothers Bahadur Shah I and Muhammad Azam Shah on 20th June 1707. 1707. Right option will be C. Next question. The first white paper on constitutional reforms for India was prepared and submitted for the consideration of the Joint Select Committee of the British Parliament on the recommendations of which of the following? Simon Commission. Right option will be D. Next question. What was the name of the ruler of Kosala in Samudragupta's Prayag Prasasti? Mahendra. Right option will be C. Next question. Which one of the following is the seventh part of the estate according to Saptang theory of estate? According to Kautilya, a estate has 7 elements or constituents, namely Swami, that means king, Amatya, that means minister, Janpada, that means the land and the people, Durga, that means the fortress, Kosa, that means the treasury, Danda, that means the army, and Mitra, that means the allies. So right option will be Mitra, C. Next question. On whose coins the name of the last caliph of Baghdad appeared for the first time? Alauddin Masood Shah. Right option will be D. Shah Alauddin Masood Shah was the son of Ruknuddin Firoz Shah and nephew of Razia Sultan. He ruled the Mamluk dynasty from 1242 to 1246 CE. Next question. Which one of the following is not the characteristics of ICTA system? ICTA was a revenue collection system. ये था उसका characteristic में. सियासतनामा was the source of information for ICTA system. No, ये गलत है. Revenue from ICTA was directly deposited in Sultan's account. ये सही है. Mukti was supported to maintain troops out of the revenue collected from ICTA. ये भी सही है. तो इसमें से नॉट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक नहीं था. बी. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इनकरेक्ट? पावना मूवमेंट 1873 to 76 ये करेक्टली मैच्ड है. एका मूवमेंट 1921 में ये भी मैच्ड है. संथाल मूवमेंट 1855 to 56 ये भी सही है, मैच्ड है करेक्टली. ताना भगत मूवमेंट 1914 में हुआ था, ये भी करेक्टली मैच्ड है. सो राइट ऑप्शन होगा मोर देन वन, ई. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द कम्युनल अवार्ड वाज अनाउंस्ड इन व्हिच ईयर? In 1932. Right option will be A. The communal award was created by the British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald on 16th August 1932, also known as the MacDonald Award. It was announced after the Round Table Conference and extended the separate electorate to depressed classes and other minorities. Next question. When did Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place? 13th April 1919. Right option will be B. Next question. The trials of the officers of INA was held in Red Fort, Delhi. Right option will be A. In November 1945, the INA trials began at the Red Fort. SN Khan, P.K. Sehgal and G.S. Dhillon, the first three senior INA officers, became symbols of India fighting for her independence. Next question. Who was the Viceroy of India when the Indian National Congress was established? Lord Dufferin. Right option will be C. His tenure was from 1884 to 1888. Next question. In which of the following years the Safa Har movement started? In 1868. Right option will be B. The Safa Har movement, also called Kherwar movement, was started in the year 1868 under the leadership of Bhagirath Manjhi. This movement popularized the concept of one God, and it also aimed at social reforms. Bhagirath proclaimed himself as the king of Santhals and the representative of God, and also demanded a separate Santhal state. He wanted the Santhal tribes to stop their sacrifices to the evil Bongas. He was arrested in the same year 1868 as an instigator of disturbances, but the movement spread like a wildfire among the Santhals of Santhal Parganas. Next question. In the context of socio-religious reform during the 19th century, who among the following were active proponents of widow remarriage? तो ढोंढो केशव कर्वे ये सपोर्टर थे विडो रीमैरिज के. तो ढोंढो केशव कर्वे वाज एन इंडियन सोशल रिफॉर्मर एंड एजुकेटर noted for supporting the education of women and for organizing associations for the remarriage of Hindu widows. While the instructor in mathematics at Fergusson College, Pune, Karve became concerned with breaking down orthodox Hindu opposition to widow remarriage, and he established the Widow Marriage Association in 1893. In the same year, he shocked public opinion by himself marrying a widow. His first wife had died in 1891. Karve also founded an educational institution, Hindu Widows Home, in Pune to help widows support themselves if they could not remarry. राधाकांत देव ये सपोर्ट नहीं, अपोज करते थे और क्रिटिसाइज भी करते थे. राधाकांत देव फाउंडेड सर्व धर्म सभा इन 1830. An Orthodox society, it stood for the preservation of the status quo in socio-religious matters, opposing even the abolition of sati. The Dharma Sabha under Radhakant Dev campaigned against the Hindu Widow Remarriage Act 1856 and submitted a petition against the proposal of widow remarriage. बहराम जी मलाबारी ये भी सपोर्टर थे. Behram Ji Malabari was a Parsi journalist and writer. He was an advocate of women's social reform in India, a champion of women's suffrage in India. Malabari became known in Britain for his role in promoting women's rights, particularly those of Hindu widows. So, right option will be 1 and 3. 1 and 3 B. Next question. Consider the following passage. He proclaimed that rationalism is our only perceptor and evaluated the contemporary socio-religious practices from the standpoint of social utility and wants to replace faith with rationality. Instead of depending on the scriptures, he cited medical opinion against child marriage. He opined his rational ideas in a treatise known as Dharmaniti, Principles of Morality. He served as the editor of the well-known journal Tattvabodhini Patrika. Who among the following is being described in the above given passage? अक्षय कुमार दत्ता. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी ए. ये जो पैसेज है अक्षय कुमार दत्ता को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. Akshay Kumar Dutt was the first in his generation to invent a scientific vocabulary in the Bengali language for the teaching of elementary science. He served as the editor of the well-known journal Tattvabodhini Patrika, the organ of the Tattvabodhini Sabha, which was founded by Devendranath Tagore. Next question. Who among the following established Indian Reform Association? Keshav Chandra Sen. Right option will be C. Indian Reform Association was established by Keshav Chandra Sen on 29th October 1870 in Calcutta. It was focused on creating public opinion against child marriages, the upliftment of the social status of women, legalizing Brahmo type of marriages. Indian Reform Association represented the secular side of the Brahmo Samaj and included many who did not belong to the Brahmo Samaj. Next question. Which among the following revolutionaries of the Indian national movement said the revolt of 1857 was the first war of independence? Binayak Damodar Savarkar. Right option will be D. It was Binayak Damodar Savarkar who said the revolt of 1857 was the first war of independence. He was an Indian independence activist, politician, lawyer, writer, and the formulator of Hindutva philosophy. Next question. With reference to the Ahmedabad mill strike of 1918, consider the following statements. The main reason for the strike was the discontinuation of the plague bonus. ये सही है. It was Rajendra Prasad who requested Mahatma Gandhi to intervene on behalf of workers. नहीं, ये महात्मा गांधी नहीं थे, अनुसुईया साराभाई थी. वो अहमदाबाद मिल ऑनर्स एसोसिएशन के प्रेसिडेंट की सिस्टर थी. उन्होंने ही गांधी जी को इंटरवीन करने के लिए कहा था. तो ये तो गलत है. महात्मा गांधी proposed an arbitration board comprising representatives of workers and mill owners. ये सही है. गलत कौन सा है? 2 गलत है यहाँ पे. तो with reference to the Ahmedabad mill strike of 1918, consider the following statement. Which of the statement given above is are correct? The correct है 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Right option will be C. Next question. He became a missionary for Prarthana Samaj in Maharashtra. He founded the Depressed Classes Mission in Bombay in 1906. He made exemplary efforts towards the entry of untouchables into temples, prohibition on animal sacrifice, and Devdasi tradition in Maharashtra. In 1917, he succeeded in getting the Indian National Congress to pass a resolution condemning the practice of untouchability. Who among the following is being described in the above given passage? तो इस पैसेज में डिस्क्राइब किया जा रहा है विट्ठल रामजी शिंदे को. विट्ठल रामजी शिंदे. राइट ऑप्शन जो है वो सी है. विट्ठल रामजी शिंदे devoted his life to religious and social reforms. Shinde founded the Depressed Classes Mission in Mumbai on October 18, 1906 as an effort of raising the standard of untouchables and providing education to the Dalits. The mission aimed at getting rid of untouchability, providing educational facilities for untouchables, solving their social problems, and starting up schools, hostels, and hospitals for them. Next question. What fraction of Bihar was below poverty line as per Tendulkar formula and census 2011? The poverty ratio using the Tendulkar committee methodology for Bihar was 34.1% for rural and 31.2% for urban areas in 2011-12. The overall poverty ratio was 33.7%. Right option will be C. Next question. What is the extent of Bihar state from north to south? The length of Bihar from north to south is 345 km. Right option will be D. Next question. The average height of Bihar from sea level is 173 feet. Right option will be A. Next question. Which valley is also known as Harha River Valley? Doon Valley. Right option will be A. This region lies between Ramnagar, Doon and Someshwar ranges. Harha River passes through this valley. Next question. Which of the following are the hills of plains of southern Bihar? रत्नगिरी ये भी है, प्रेतशिला ये भी है, रामशिला ये भी है, पीर पहाड़ी ये भी है. तो इसमें से सभी जो है वो हिल या फिर प्लेन्स है सदर्न बिहार के. राइट ऑप्शन जो होगा ई होगा. मोर देन 1. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज फाउंड इन हिल्स ऑफ खड़गपुर? तो खड़गपुर के हिल्स में जो पाया जाता है ग्रेनाइट पाया जाता है. राइट ऑप्शन जो होगा वो डी होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन कैन बी कंसिडर्ड प्रॉपर फॉर द इम्पोजिशन ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट्स रूल इन ए स्टेट? माल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इन द स्टेट, नहीं ये सूटेबल सिचुएशन नहीं है जिसके वजह से जो है प्रेसिडेंट रूल इम्पोज किया जा सके, तो ये तो गलत है। ए गवर्नमेंट इज डेलिबरेटली एक्टिंग अगेंस्ट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, ये सही है। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अगेंस्ट यदि काम कर रही है कोई स्टेट गवर्नमेंट तो प्रेसिडेंट रूल इम्पोज किया जा सकता है। ए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डायरेक्शन ऑफ द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट इज डिसरिगार्डेड बाय द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, ये भी सही है। सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर यूजिंग द कोड गिवन बिलो, तो इसमें से 2 एंड 3 राइट ऑप्शन सी है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच नेशनल हाईवे कनेक्ट छापरा एंड गोपालगंज? NH85, राइट ऑप्शन विल बी सी। NH77 connects Pondicherry with Krishnagiri. NH84 connects Ara to Buxar. NH80 is a national highway in eastern India that links Mokama, Bihar to Farakka in West Bengal. Next question, which is a silk textile producing center in Bihar? Bhagalpur, right option will be C. Next question, under which Sultan of Delhi Malik Ibrahim Bayu resigned as governor of Bihar? Muhammad Shah Tughlaq, right option will be A. Malik Ibrahim Bayu was a legendary Sufi Sant warrior who arrived in South Bihar in the 14th century and defeated the tribal cult chiefdoms who had been oppressing the local Muslims. He also defeated Raja Birthal and became first Muslim conqueror and governor of Bihar. Malik Ibrahim Bayu tomb is protected under the Archaeological Survey of India and is a tourism spot in Bihar Sharif. Next question, who designed the tomb of Sher Shah Suri? Mir Muhammad Aliwal Khan. Mir Muhammad Aliwal Khan, right option will be D. This tomb is an example of Indo-Islamic architecture. It was designed by the architect Mir Muhammad Aliwal Khan and built between 1540 and 1545. Next question, under whose chairmanship was the third farmers conference held at Hajipur in November 1935? Swami Shahjanand, right option will be D. Next question, whose first editor was Mahesh Narayan? So Mahesh Narayan was the first editor of Bihar Times, right option will be B. Next question, Bihar receives 80% of the rainfall from which monsoon? Southwest monsoon, right option will be A. Next question, when did railway start for first time in Bihar? The rail transport started in Bihar in 1860. The rail services were started by the East Indian Railway and a train ran between Howrah and Rajmahal. From Rajmahal, the East Indian Railway expanded further and connected with other cities, towns and districts. The rail services reached Bhagalpur in 1861, Munger in 1862. On 8th February 1862, the first railway workshop of India was established in Jamalpur, Bihar. So, right option will be A, 1860 to 1862. Next question, Akbar merged Bengal and Bihar in his empire in 1576. Right option will be B. Daud Khan succeeded his father Suleiman Karrani in 1572 after his death. Daud Khan invaded Patna Mughal fort after declaring himself an independent ruler. Akbar ordered Munim Khan to suppress this revolt and occupy Bihar. Munim Khan defeated Daud Khan in a battle and annexed Bihar in 1574. Daud fled away to Bengal after his defeat. On 12 March 1576, Todarmal, Muzaffar Khan and Hussain Quli Khan jointly defeated Daud. Thus, Akbar merged Bengal and Bihar in his empire in 1576. Next question, who was the father of total revolution in Bihar? Jayaprakash Narayan, right option will be C. Next question, in which region was Manjusha painting style popular? Manjusa, also known as scroll painting, basically originated in the Ang region, modern day Bhagalpur, and is based on the story of Bihula Bisri. So right option will be B, Ang. Next question, when was Bihar State Sugar Corporation established? In 1974. Right option will be D. Next question, Sher Khan was appointed as the patron of which ruler of Bihar? Jalal Khan. Right option will be B. इसके बाद 10 क्वेश्चंस मैथ के हैं जिसको मैं स्किप कर रहा हूं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ब्लडी संडे इज ए कमेमोरेटिव इवेंट मार्क्ड बाय व्हिच कंट्री? आयरलैंड. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी. इन लंदन डेरी, नदर्न आयरलैंड, 13 unarmed civil rights demonstrators are shot dead by British Army paratroopers in an event that becomes known as Bloody Sunday. The protesters, all Northern Catholics, were marching in protest of the British policy of internment of suspected Irish nationalists. Next question, what is the objective of the Parvatmala scheme announced recently? The Union Budget announced a new scheme called Parvatmala, or National Ropeways Development Program. The scheme will be launched for regions like Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir, Northeast state to facilitate a modern system of transportation and connectivity in hills. So right option will be transportation in hills, B. Next question, Tripura inaugurated the Kamalpur Karmaghat border hut along the border of India and which country? Bangladesh. Right option will be B. Tripura CM Biplav Kumar Dev laid the foundation stone for Kamalpur Karmaghat border hut between India and Bangladesh in Dalai district. The border hut is expected to boost trade relations between the two countries. Border huts are duty-free trading spaces between two countries where locally grown good products are sold to people living within a radius of 5 km of the hut on specific days of the week. Next question, which has become the first carbon neutral panchayat under the Gram Urja Swaraj program of the government of India? Palli village of Jammu and Kashmir. Right option will be A. Next question, MUSC and Helio swarm which were seen in the news recently are associated with which space agency? NASA. Right option will be C. NASA has announced two new science missions, namely Multi-Slit Solar Explorer, that means MUSC, and Helio swarm. These two missions aim to study the sun's corona and also measuring the magnetic field of the solar wind. Next question, which state union territory has notified a draft policy mandating the aggregators to induct electric vehicles? New Delhi. Right option will be B. The Delhi government has notified a draft policy mandating ride aggregators and delivery firms to induct electric vehicles while procuring a new fleet. This step aims to reduce air pollution in the national capital by 30% in the next 2 years. Aggregators and delivery services will have to ensure that 50% of all their new two-wheelers and 25% of new four-wheelers are electric by March 2023. Next question, what is the duration of New India Literacy Program approved recently? 2022 to 27. Right option is B, 2022 to 27. The Union Government has approved the New India Literacy Program for financial years 2022 to 27, which will cover all aspects of adult education in the country. The program has been announced in line with National Education Policy 2020, National Education Policy 2020. Adult education will now be called Education for All. Next question, which union ministry launched the Bhasha Certificate Selfie campaign? Ministry of Education. Right option will be A. Union Ministry of Education recently launched a campaign Bhasha Certificate Selfie to encourage cultural diversity and promote multilingualism. The initiative aims to promote Bhasha Sangam mobile app developed by Ministry of Education and mygov.in. Using the app, people can learn over 100 sentences of daily use in as many as 22 scheduled Indian languages. It encourages people to upload their selfie with this certificate. Next question. Japan recently signed Reciprocal Access Agreement RAA with which country? With Australia. Right option will be B. Japan recently signed a historic defense agreement with Australia to ensure a secure and stable Indo-Pacific region. This agreement has been signed amidst the expansion of China's military and economic influence in the region, called the Reciprocal Access Agreement RAA. This is Japan's second such agreement. Japan's only other military pact is with the United States. Next question. With reference to the Agnipath scheme, consider the following statements. Soldiers selected under this scheme would not be part of the existing rank in the armed forces. ये सही है. After 4 years tenure, 25% of the recruited personnel would be allowed to continue for another 15 years under the permanent commission. ये सही है. Soldiers would not be entitled to the pensionary benefits but would gain the entitlement to gratuity. Which of the following is given above are correct? तो ये दोनों सही है लेकिन ये गलत है. किसी तरीका से ग्रेचुइटी वगैरह नहीं मिलेगी इनको, तो 3 गलत है. 3 गलत हो जाने से बी भी गया, सी भी गया, डी भी गया. A and B. Right option will be A and B. Once selected, the aspirants will go through training for 6 months and then will deployed for 3.5 years. During this period, they will get a starting salary of 30,000 Indian rupees along with additional benefits which will go up to 40,000 by the end of 4 years service. 30% of their salary will be set aside under a Seva Nidhi program and the government will contribute an equal amount every month. At the end of the 4-year period, each soldiers will get 11.71 lakh Indian rupees as a lump sum amount which will be tax free. There shall be no entitlement to gratuity and pensionary benefits. Next question. When is the Army Day observed every year in India? January 15 has been celebrated as Army Day every year. To mark the day, General K.M. Cariappa, who later became Field Marshal, took over as the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army from General F.R. Roy Butcher. So, right option is B, January 15. Next question. Purple revolution, sometimes seen in the news, is associated with the cultivation of aromatic plants. Right option will be B. Aroma mission launched by the Science and Technology Ministry through CSIR lead to the Purple Revolution, which aims to encourage the cultivation of aromatic plants. Next question. Who won the Subhash Chandra Bose Apada Prabandhan Puraskar in 2022 in individual category? Binod Sharma. Right option is A. Professor Binod Sharma, the founder, coordinator of the National Center of Disaster Management, has been selected for this year's Subhash Chandra Bose Apada Prabandhan Puraskar under individual category. Next question. Padma Bhushan awardee R. Nagaswamy, who recently passed away, was associated with which field? Archaeology. Right option will be A. A veteran archaeologist, art historian and Padma Vibhushan awardee R. Nagaswamy has passed away at the age of 91. He was the first director of Tamil Nadu government's Department of Archaeology. Next question. Jhili Dala Behra, who won a gold medal in Commonwealth Championship, is associated with which sports? Weightlifting. Right option is C. Indian weightlifter Jhili Dala Behra has won the gold medal in the women's 49 kg category at the Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Next question. Which is the first organization to be recognized by Bureau of Indian Standards under the BIS scheme of standard Standards Development Organizations, Research Design and Standards Organization. Right option is B. The Research Design and Standards Organization, Ministry of Railway, has been the first organization to be Bureau of Indian Standards under the BIS scheme of Standards Development Organization. As per BIS Act 2016, BIS is empowered, recognize or accredit any institution in India or outside which is engaged in standardization. Next question, which country is the first beneficiary of the Climate Investment Fund CIF? South Africa. Right option is D. South Africa had announced that it would be the first beneficiary of the climate investment funds. India, Indonesia, and the Philippines will join South Africa as the recipients of the pilot program aimed at accelerating their transition from coal power to clean energy. The CIF, that means Climate Investment Fund, said the Accelerating Coal Transition Program targets developing countries which lack adequate resources to finance the transition from coal. Next question, where was the military exercise Dakshin Shakti held? Jaisalmer. The military exercise Dakshin Shakti is being held at the deserts of Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Right option is B. The exercise is being participated by the Army and the Air Force. Next question, India has entered into an agreement with Croatia in which field recently? In Indian traditional medicine. Right option is A. Next question, which institution released the 2021 Production Gap Report? UNEP. Right option is B. The UN Environment Programme, that means UNEP, along with the leading research institutes, released the 2021 Production Gap Report. The report measures the gap between governments' planned production of coal, oil, and gas and the global production levels consistent with meeting Paris Agreement limits. As per the new report, governments plan to produce more than double the amount of fossil fuels in 2030 than the consistent level to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Next question, who launched the initiative Delhi at 2047? Arvind Kejriwal. Right option is B. Delhi at 2047 initiative was launched recently by Arvind Kejriwal. The aim of this initiative is to build partnership with the private sector, CSR initiatives and philanthropic organizations to achieve the vision of Delhi by 2047 and make Delhi as the global city in the world. The main objectives under this initiative are increasing Delhi's per capita income to Singapore level, providing 24/7 water supply before the upcoming elections to bid for the 2048 Olympics, making roads as per the European standards and many other facilities. Next question, name the composer and singer of the theme song Kar De Kamal Tu for the Indian Paralympic contingent at Tokyo Paralympics 2020. Sanjeev Singh. Right option is A. Next question, in which district will the first hockey synthetic turf of Simanchal be built at? Purnia. Right option is A. In Purnia district. Next question, which district recorded the lowest female literacy rate in Bihar according to census 2011? Saharsa. Right option is C. Here female literacy rate is 41.68%. Next question, who has been honored with the Prime Minister's Award 2020 for outstanding work in public administration? Anand Kishore. Right option is C. Chairman of Bihar Board. This award is given to selected IAS officers from across the country for their outstanding work. He has been honored for many innovations in the Bihar Board and extensive reform in the examination system. Next question, who inaugurated the Enlightenment Program organized for the members of the Bihar Legislature Party on 17th February 2022? Om Birla. Right option is D here. Next question, Shatrughan Sinha, former MP of Patna Sahib, won the recently held Lok Sabha by-election in which state? West Bengal. Right option is D. Next question, which team has bought Ishan Kishan of Bihar, the most expensive player in the Indian Premier League IPL Mega Auction 2022? Mumbai Indians. Right option is C here. With a bid of 15.25 crore Indian rupees. Next question, Sabor 1 variety developed by Bihar Agricultural University is associated with which crop? Makhana. Right option is B. Next question, which has become the first union territory in the country to be joined with the national single window system? Jammu and Kashmir. Right option is B here. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये रहा पटना के परम IAS के टेस्ट 3 के इंग्लिश मीडियम के क्वेश्चंस का डिस्कशन। आप बने रहिए इस चैनल के साथ, मिलते हैं किसी दूसरे वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच।